Hi all, glad you all back with a new video. So today we'll be learning how to make easy DIY stickers without a sticker sheet. Yes friends, you heard it right, without sticker sheet. Are you interested? Well, let's get started. So to make this you need a sheet of paper, cellophane tape. So mine is like 7 centimeters long. You can go bigger or small, your wish. And I'm having here parchment or butter paper. You can also say it as baking paper. And then we need a scissor and pencils and a few sketches. So let's get started. So the first step is we are supposed to design the character or the picture that you want in your sticker. There are either two ways. If you're good at drawing, you can straight away draw and color your picture. If you feel that your drawing isn't good, no harm, you just take printouts of various stickers or characters that you want to be the main content of your sticker. So yeah, it's either printout or drawing. So I'm going to draw. So now I have finished drawing 3 Christmas ornaments. The gift, a star and a Christmas wreath. Now we can just cut them out. So 1, 2 and 3. So I'll cut them out. If you see, I just cut them out with just a white background over here. Or else I just cut it a bit extra along with the white line. That just adds to the effect. So now work comes for the parchment paper or the butter paper. So let's just fetch it. So now I've taken a sheet of parchment paper and then just cut it in order to form a rectangle. So now we can take our cellophane tape. You can take our tape. I'm just taking a scale here because it's a bit like coming up like this. Let me just place another scale maybe just to hold this in position. Yeah. So I'm just keeping a sketch on all the 4 sides. So now we can take our tape, sticky side facing down. So you can just like slowly unfold it. Oh, that produced a lot of noise. And then you can just stick it like this. You can see that the sticky side is down, so it easily got stuck. And then we could just cut it. So how it's just yeah, so I just trimmed it. Nicely we can just like trace it just to remove any air bubbles. So now we can just take our cutouts or the drawing or even the printouts and place it here like this in order. So now we're just going to again stick the cello tape on top of it. Well, there are 2 reasons why I'm doing this. The first reason is to secure this with the behind tape. And the second reason is that it gives a glossy finish for our sticker, just like as if it's bought in a store. Generally, I have a big size that covers the entire sticker. If you don't have a big enough sticker, you could just like the first layer and second layer like that you could go about. So yes, I just stuck tape to this. So it does stuck pretty well. So now we could just cut them separately like this. The first part I am just placing it here in order. And the second one, yeah, like this. So the third one, if you see, I'm just bring it near the camera. You can see that there's no air bubbles and just glossy. You can see the light reflecting. And now you can just cut the cello tape along the pattern or the sticker that you have drawn. So yeah, let's cut it. I just trim them and they look really cute and beautiful. So our easy DIY stickers are ready. Yes, these are made without sticker sheets. Yes friends, so all you gotta do is just peel the parchment paper from the cello tape, peel it, and then stick it in the surface wherever you want. Like books, laptops maybe, and even like your notebook, and in pages of notebook or on the cover page, and many places. The limit is endless. So I have an old notebook here. Just add beauty like this, so you can just gently peel it. Need to be gentle as possible. So I'm just peeling it real gently. It's because it's a star shape, like not the regular square or rectangle like that. Just be slow while peeling it. Yeah. You can stick it however you want. Placing it over here. Wow, that looks really cool. So like this you can make any stickers you want and stick it. So I hope you enjoyed this video friends. Thank you for watching. And do make these stickers and make the place where I stand real beautiful. Yes. So well, this is only method 1. There are many more methods. So stay tuned, which are shortly coming out. And in the comment section for my next video, mention which Christmas character you like the most. Whether it's Santa Claus, or Grinch, or the reindeer. Yes friends, whether it's Santa Claus, Grinch or reindeer. In the comments, mention that. So catch you later. Until then, bye bye.